Hello dear students, today I welcome you to my class. Today we are going to do Reach for the Top. It is a short biography of Santosh Yadav. Santosh Yadav is a mountaineer, Mountainer. She is also an environmentalist, Ronmentalist, and she is also a humanist. You know, like female children, all the female children in our country, you know, when they reach just simply they pass their teen age, you know, there is a kind of, you know, pressure from the family to go for marriage. Same kind of thing happened with Santosh Yadav also. Hardly or barely she turned into 16 years old, you know, there was a kind of family pressure. She was under pressure for marriage, but she very politely requested her parents and all the family members. She very tactfully convinced them that yes, she wants to study a bit more, and you know, because of her insistence for a study a bit more, she got her admission at Maharani College, Jaipur. You know, this very Maharani College, admission in Maharani College is proved to be, admission in Maharani College Jaipur proved to be a very crucial and very important turning point in Santosh Yadav's life. There, when she was living in the hostel, her windows were facing Aravali Hills. You know, when she saw from her window that yes, villagers, the mountaineers, they were climbing on the mountain and immediately they disappeared. You know, there at this very juncture, at this very important turning point, at this very important moment, she developed a kind of, you know, interest in mountaineering, and she went. One day it so happened that she personally went to the villagers and asked that if she could be a part of their expedition. Ultimately, what happens? To her utter surprise, to her pleasant surprise, villagers agreed to include her in their expedition, in their mountaineering expedition. What happens? Her interest for mountaineering, you know, became stronger and stronger until when she turned the age. When she attained the age of 20, she became 20 years old. You know, she became the youngest. See here, she became the youngest lady to climb the Mount Everest. Mount Everest. And on top of this, besides this, she also became the only woman to climb the Mount Everest twice. She became the first woman, and you know, this is because of her enterprise, because of her deed. She became a living legend for every child, for every Indians, and not only Indians, people across the world. You know, she became an iconic figure to follow. She became a living example, living legend for everyone to follow. And at the age of only barely 20 years, she climbed the Mount Everest. And recognizing her deed, the government of India in the year 2000 conferred upon her the Padma Shri, Padma, Padma Shri. You know, this is the very this kind of Padma Shri award are rarely given to such to people, and she became the, you know, because of her government of India recognized her achievement, and she was awarded, she was conferred upon the Padma Shri. And see, so far as Mount Santosh Yadav is concerned, she was also an environmentalist. See, when she reached literally on the top of the world, she, cleaned that very Mount Everest. She collected 500 kilogram of garbage from there and made this environment, made this very mountain very neat and clean. She was also a humanist. She shared her oxygen cylinder. See, there when you are climbing a mountain, your life is at risk, and that very point of time, that very crucial moment, Santosh Yadav shared her oxygen cylinder with a fellow called Mohan Singh. And thus she became a humanist also. She had great love for people also. She was also a great environmentalist, humanist, and above all, she is a very good example for the children to follow. I hope that things would have been very much clear to you. Thank you.